Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Forms and choosing blank or a template. This saves time versus building every element manually. Once chosen, name the form clearly and write a short description so respondents know context. Then set your response destination, link a Google Sheet for live data, or use the default summary for simple review. Make sure to adjust form settings briefly for collection of email addresses or restricting to your domain before you add questions. Now design your questions focusing on clarity and flow. Use multiple choice for single answers, short answer for free text, and validation rules to enforce formats like numbers or emails. This prevents bad data. Split the form into sections to reduce cognitive load and implement go-to-section logic when you need branching paths based on answers. Once done, preview the form to test every branch and validation, because real user testing often reveals phrasing or logic errors you missed. Finish by configuring confirmation messages, whether respondents can edit after submit, and response collection options. Then use the send button to share via link, email, or embed code. Make sure permissions match your audience. After publishing, monitor responses and the linked sheet for errors. If things go wrong, first check validation rules and permission settings, then confirm the sheet connection hasn't been severed. If a branch misroutes, revisit section rules and retest the affected paths immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.